because I like it. I always break these. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I break these all the time. See? I don't know. Whatever's the matter with me is the matter with me. There. I know. Look, I'm tearing this box apart. Poor box. But here it is. It's the ground mirror. It's got a lot of room on the inside to see. Well, there. That's all mirror. It's very nice. I like that a lot. And Jeffree is always on point with his pink paper and his, I think I opened this upside down. So we're going from the bottom to the top. And this is it. Yeah, this is the Bloodlust palette, and you've all seen it. And I just wanted to show you how it comes. It comes in a beautiful package, and I do think that I'm going to keep this box for this palette because it just needs to be someplace where it doesn't get all messed up. And there you go. Everyone has seen this, I know by now. If you live on Earth, even the aliens have probably seen this. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm not going to go over swatches because there are so many swatches on YouTube right now for this. It's lovely, it's beautiful, it's sturdy, it's nice and heavy. It's a Jeffree, you know, it's a Jeffree Star palette. And he knows what he's doing and he's tops at what he does. They have this purple Jeffree Star paper, just thought I'd show you this, which, you know, of course, Jeffree is on point on everything. We love it. I know I love it. I got the iconic t-shirt, because of course I needed another black t-shirt. No, I didn't need another black t-shirt, but iconic, I love it. And then I got the glosses in, what did I get them in? Ice Cold and Candy Drip. These are from the original ones, and I got them because I just love the Ice Cold shade. This is my third one of Ice Cold that I've gotten because I love it so much. And I don't want to call anyone Surrey. Leave me alone. So yeah, this is the Ice Cold one. I've gone through 3 of these. I love to use them as a topper shade on my lipstick. I'm a lipstick gal, so yeah. Dude, that's so cool. I know I sounded like a bird. Oh, whatever. Okay. This is the Candy Drip. I saw this a couple of times with somebody else, and I just fell in love with it, want to have it. So, yeah, Candy Drip. It's a pinky version. My absolute favorite lippy like this was a MAC one. It was called Fun and Fancy or Fun and Free or something. It was orange with turquoise glitter, and I cannot believe people gave them such a bad time about having turquoise glitter in that orange, and it just was beautiful. I don't know how anyone could not love it. So I also got the Vault, the Queen Bitch one, and here we go. These are all the minis of his lippies, plus one color that only comes with this one, which I'm not sure which one that is. Let's see. I'm Vulgar. Is that one the one? It might be, or it might be Blow Pony. I'm not sure. But whatever it is, I love his liquid lip. It's fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. In the Queenie box that you have to display, because all of Jeffree is like display stuff. It is so cool. And that's all I got. So I wanted you to see this. And of course it comes in the signature Jeffree Star pink box with the Jeffree Star crown tape on it. Yes, it's beautiful, beautifully packaged. I ordered this from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And have a good day.